Hello, statistics students. Welcome to another video on using the linear model. Example 3, Vitruvian confidence intervals. So in a previous video, example 2, we looked at the Vitruvian claim that arm span is equal to height. We did a hypothesis test. And in this video, we'll look at a confidence interval to do the hypothesis test. So the output in figure 14.2 repeats the regression for predicting arm span from height for the class of statistics students used in what I called example 2. This time the software was asked to provide confidence intervals for the intercept and slope. The question is, do these intervals support Vitruvius's theory that the intercept is 0 and the slope is 1? State the 95% confidence intervals for the intercept and slope and explain whether they support or refute Vitruvius's theory. So the 95% confidence interval for the intercept we can see by the table is between negative 18.5 and 10.8. And for slope, the 95% confidence interval is between 0.84 and 1.27. Because the confidence interval for the intercept includes 0, we have no reason to reject the theory that the population intercept is 0. Similarly, the 95% confidence interval for the slope includes 1. Again, we have no reason to reject the theory that the population slope is 1. These results are consistent with what we did with our hypothesis test in example 2. So in conclusion, we cannot reject Vitruvius's theory because the confidence interval for the intercept includes the value 0. Now, again, we did not prove the theory that arm span is equal to height. We just can't reject it. We would have to do more studies. And the confidence interval for the slope includes the value 1. This is consistent with the hypothesis tests in example 2. And this concludes this video on using the linear model, the Vitruvian example. Example 3.